Here's your quick marine weather update. Let's start with the surface wind analysis. As of May 9, 2025, at 18 UTC, light to moderate wind dominate the Western Pacific region. Wind speed generally range between 5 to 10 knots, with slightly stronger wind observed north of Japan and east of Taiwan. Notice the arrow direction, indicating steady easterly trade closer to the equator, a typical feature. Next, the surface pressure map shows a relatively stable atmosphere pressure range from around 1006 to 1040 millibars across most of the western Pacific. Higher pressure zones are seen near in Japan and the northern Pacific, promoting more settled conditions there. Meanwhile, equatorial areas remain under lower pressure, which is normal and suggests potential convective activity. Finally, wave heights are modest across the region. Most of the ocean reports waves between 1 to 2.5 meters. Some higher swell around 3 to 5 meters appears in the northerly zone, where stronger winds are also observed. Arrows indicate the general movement of wave direction, primarily from east to west across the tropics.